How to install official Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11 on the Xiaomi Poco F1. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the official Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11 on the Xiaomi Poco F1. Now as you can see, I do have the Poco F1 which is running MIUI 12 based on Android 10. Now what are the prerequisites for this video? For starters, you need to have an unlocked bootloader. Then you need to have a custom recovery installed. We are going to use TWRP for the purpose of this video. Videos on how to unlock your bootloader, how to install TWRP can be found in the description of this video. Next thing, make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also, make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device, because if we run into any boot loops, any encryption issues, we are going to perform a format data from TWRP, in which case you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. Now, another very important thing to note here is that since we are moving from Android 10 to Android 11, we need to perform a format data, which means we are going to lose all our pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. Next thing you need to determine is whether you want to keep your device encrypted or decrypted. So for starters, if I go into settings, password and security and privacy, you will see my device is encrypted right now. However, I want to decrypt it, and that brings us to the question that what are the files which we need. So all the files which you need to install Lineage OS 18.1 are linked in the description of this video. Those of you who want to decrypt your device, we need disable force encryption. If you do not want to decrypt your device, keep it encrypted, you don't need this. Then you need the official Lineage OS 18.1 file, and do note at the time of recording this video, they have only released nightly builds and we are using the nightly build from 10th of April. If and when stable Lineage OS 18.1 comes out, the process will remain the same and the video will still work. Then we are using Nix stock G apps, and you need the Poco F1 firmware file. So these are the files which we need. Next thing we need to do is we'll go into settings, password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, go back, go into Me account and remove your Me account. Then go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We're doing this because we're going from one ROM to another, and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. Now those of you who are on custom ROMs based on AOSP, you won't have the option of removing your Me account. You should of course remove your PIN, password, face unlock and your Google account. Next thing we need to do is boot into our custom recovery, which is TWRP. First up, turn off your device. Once the device has turned off, press and hold volume up and power button at the same time till you see the TWRP recovery boot logo. And there it is, we have successfully booted into TWRP. It is asking us, do we need to let TWRP modify the system partition? We say never show this again, and then swipe to allow modifications. Next up, go into wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, cache, system, vendor and data, and then swipe to wipe. Next up, tap on the home button, go into install. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded all the files. In case you download the files on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder. In case you transfer them from your computer, you would know the folder where you place them. First up, select the firmware file, add more zips. Next up, select the official Lineage OS 18.1 file, add more zips, and then we need to select the GApps file, and of course we are using Nix stock GApps. Select that file. Once that is done, swipe to confirm flash. Now once all the files have flashed successfully, we can scroll up and make sure there were no errors or no issues. So here it is, flashing the firmware file. Everything was flashed without any issues. Script succeeded, result was 1. Next up, official Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11. Again, no issues with that as well. Script succeeded, result was 1. Then next, GApps were flashed without any issues as well. Next up, tap on the home button. Now, those of you who are not encrypted or decrypted, or you want to decrypt your device, we need to flash disable force encryption. So we'll go into mount, make sure vendor is mounted, tap on the home button, install, select disable force encryption, and then swipe to confirm flash. Once that is done, tap on the home button. In case you are going from Android 10 to Android 11 and your device was already decrypted, you do not, I repeat, in case your device was already decrypted and you're going from Android 10 to Android 11, you need to flash disable force encryption, but you do not need format data. Those of you whose device was encrypted and on Android 10, you need to perform format data irrespective of the fact whether you want to decrypt your device or not. So the bottom line is, anybody jumping from Android 10 to Android 11 from an encrypted device needs to perform format data whether you want to decrypt your device or not. So I was on Android 10, MIUI 12, device was encrypted. I need to perform a format data even though I choose to decrypt my device. So we go into wipe, format data, type in yes, tap on the check mark on the bottom right. As I mentioned earlier in the video, format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. Next up, tap on the home button, reboot and select system. And before I forget, the TWRP recovery which we are using in this video is linked in the description of this video as well. And as you can see, we do have the Lineage OS boot animation on our device, which means our device is booting into official Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11. The first boot up, of course, will take some time, so you have to be patient. And there it is, we are on the setup screen. Let me skip the initial setup real quick. And there it is, we have successfully booted into Lineage OS. First up, we can go into settings and security. Here it is, phone not encrypted, which means I successfully decrypted my Poco F1. Of course, all my internal storage, pictures, videos, everything was lost. Next up, if you go into settings and about phone, and now if I tap on the Android version, here it is, Lineage OS 18.1, the official build, of course a nightly one. Android version is 11 and security patch is from March 2021. And there it is, peeps, we have successfully installed Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11 on the Xiaomi Poco F1. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.